Now clap hands for your teachers. Louder. Very good. Clap.
आए हाय चुनर तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा, अरे चुनर तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा। गुलाबी शरारा, गुलाबी शरारा। भली शिराई भली कड़ाई खुद मत में तेरा चमकना, भली झुलिया शुद्ध पकारा लटकना। एक जोड़ी में खर्च चारा 4,000, एक जोड़ी में खर्च चारा 4,000। गुलाबी शरारा, गुलाबी शरारा। ठुमक ठुमक जब हिट छे तू पहाड़ी बटोमा, छम छमे पायल घुंघरू बाजने त्यारे खुटमा। ठुमक ठुमक जब हिट छे तू पहाड़ी बटोमा, छम छमा पायल घुंघरू बाजने त्यारे खुटमा। लाल त्यार कंगना तुम्हें चूड़ी छनहरा, लाल त्यार कंगना तुम्हें चूड़ी छनहरा। चुनरी तेरी आए हाय चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा, अरे चुनरी तेरी
रहा नहीं जाता, सड़क ही ऐसी है ना। बढ़िया राजू करता।
और अभी तो रुको, क्लाइमैक्स अभी बाकी है।
मोहब्बत से मुझको देखा करो। जब से मिला तेरा साया भाया, मुझे हर बार तू भाया लाया, सपने हजार तू लाया। ऐसे ऐसे हाँ ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे
UKG first rank holder, Shayam Jamatia. Which be followed by class 1 first rank holder, Khasrang B. Which be followed by class 2 first rank holder, Malika Jamatia. Which be followed by class 3 first rank holder, Jem Jamatia. Which be followed by class 4 first rank holder, Eli Jamatia. Which be followed by class 5 first rank holder, Arushi Jamatia and Mamata Devi Jamatia.
Look here, look this side.
And class 6 first rank holder, Irish
This side.
Jamatia. Now we move on to the next category, that is the second category,
Look this way.
second rank holders. With Irish, we have concluded the first rank holders. Now we begin from LKG again. Second rank holders, LKG. UKG, second rank holder, Kamari Jamatia and Suhani Jamatia. Class 1, second rank holder. Here we have two second rank holders, Priya Jamatia and Sevika Jamatia. Class 2 second rank holders, only one, sorry, second rank holder, Adika Khan. Class 3 second rank holder, Ria Jamatia. Class 4 second rank holder, Zinia Jamatia. Class 5 second rank holder, Shreya Jamatia. And class 6 second rank holder, Oshali Jamatia. With that, we have concluded the second rank holders. Now, rank holder, Kushi Jamatia A. And in UKG, we have 3 rank holders. Salka Jamatia, Aichi Jamatia, and Shristi Jamatia. Coming to class 1, third rank holder, Kari Jamatia. Class 1, Kari Jamatia. Class 2, third rank holder, Horiam Jamatia. Class 3, third rank holder, Ayush Paul. Class 5, third rank holder, Simari Jamatia. And we have from class 6, the third rank holder is Ani Jamatia. So hearty congratulations, dear high achievers, for the second term examination 2023 to 2024. So hearty congratulations to you, dear students, as well as to the teachers.
School staff and the students warmly welcome you to St. Francis de Sales School. Dear guardians, especially the parents representatives, I take this chance to warmly welcome you. Very, very hearty welcome to all of you. Dear parents, I would like to inform you that St. Francis de Sales School is recognized by the Educational Department of Tripura. So it's a good news for all of us that we are recognized and we have received the certificate. And today it's a very, very beautiful day and a happy day for all the students that today they are going to receive the certificate that they have worked hard. Second time examination evaluation will be in the form of the certificate. So I want to thank all the rank holders, all the position holders, first, second and third, as well as all the other students also, those who have achieved great, they have improved. So dear parents, I want to tell you that the students have improved a lot in all the ways, not only academically but also overall development.